I had a dream the other day, and all God's children were singing. The questions they need not be asked, for the answers they were ringing. Isn't it nice? Isn't it grand?
Had a dream the other day, and all God's children were singing. The questions they need not be asked, for the answers they were ringing. Isn't it nice? Isn't it grand to know what's in the dice? To finally take a stand. Find a door, it's locked. Who holds the key? Jesus. He opened it for me once before, and came and supped with me.